Hello guys, welcome back to Mitchell's RC Off-Road. Today we've got a brand new car. I have the Losi Mini T 2.0. I think I have the brushed one. So let me, oh, I already got it open. Oh yeah. So I bought the gray one. Even though on A main it says it's white, it doesn't look white. We'll start here. So in this bag it comes with the transmitter, the remote, pretty basic, button, steering and throttle trim, reverse channel 3, charger. So that's what we got there. Have it looks like, where did my, oh, there it is. Oh. You got tools and some AA's, no AAA, sorry. A Losi sticker. That's pretty cool. And then the manual. Shows you how to take it apart. Think better. Yep, shows you how to take it apart, part numbers, everything. That's pretty cool. Then over here we got the we got some option upgrade parts that you can buy with all the part numbers. That's cool. Here, let's take these out. I won't be using these AA's. I got some better ones. You got I'm guessing that looks like 1.5 and a wheel wrench and a bind plug. Here, let's put AA's on in this. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna use these. There we go. So pop this open. Put that back on. I'm guessing it just slides right back on. Yep. On, off. Feels pretty good. Take all this stuff out. I don't know why I left it in there. Then we got the Mini D. Let's get some of this stuff out the way. And here we go. Here it is. Feels pretty good. Feels very high quality. Here, let's take these body clips off. I got some size comparisons here. Here we go. It's got a 280 size brushed motor. Here, let's get this battery out and then charge. Comes with the Dynamite battery, 650 milliamps, 20C LiPo. Seems pretty good. Yeah, here's the battery it comes with. Feels pretty good. 20 amp ESC and receiver combo. It's got a Spektrum SC SX 107 in it. I'm guessing it's probably pretty good. Let's put these pins back so I don't lose them. It's got the Losi BK bar tires on it. It's got oil-filled shocks, fully adjustable. Feels pretty good. I've got this Losi 1.0 body. It's Proline body. We'll see if it will fit on it. Oh yeah, it will. Look at that, guys. Losi 1.0 body will fit on it. Let's take one of these tires off. I think it's a 5.5 millimeter. Yep. Yep, there. Looks very... We got the Losi tire. Here's a, compared to a, this is a Dramata tire. So it's really wide and it's really short. Let's see if the Dramata tire will fit on this. Nope. Oh, that's too small. So yeah, just put that back on it. Feels pretty good. Let's plug it in real fast. Whether on the charge it has. Turn that on, turn the car on. That servo was pretty fast. That servo's pretty good. This. Whoa. Seems pretty. Feels like it's gonna go pretty fast. That feels pretty fast. Say about the size comparisons here, we'll take this battery back out of it. So yeah, here we go with the size comparisons. Here I've got a pretty heavily modified SCX24. So it's a lot shorter than it. And then I think it's way wider. Oh yeah, way wider. You can see that. Those tires sit in there. It's pretty cool. And here I've got a 1/18 scale Dramata. So it's the same length as the Dramata, but is it the same width? This is a little bit wider. And then this is a 10 scale race buggy. It's a 6.3. It's way smaller. Look at that. It's tiny. Yeah, that's for your size comparison. So yeah, we'll get this out, run it a little bit. Yeah, so metal chassis. I think it's 1.5 hex. No, I hit about 2 millimeter. There's 1.5. Yep, 1.5 millimeter screws. So yeah, so yeah, we'll go get this out on the road and stuff and see how it is. Yeah, got through the running video now. So see you guys later. Make sure to like and subscribe. This has been this has been Mitchell's RCF Road. See you guys later. Bye. Here we are with the running of the Mini T. Fully stock, the brushed one. Overall it handles pretty good. The servo's super fast. It handles pretty good. Grass is not its strong suit. That's it for the running video, guys. Running video. Bye.